What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see if we can modify this plug here with the grinder. This is a pretty common issue on the RVs, is they've got these knobs or handles so you can fit your fingers in it and pull the plug out. It's really cool and handy, but if it doesn't close, then the water can get in. So I'm just going to, like I say, I'm going to use my grinder and I'm going to cut it along here and just hope that once it's all cut that it'll shut nice and tight. And then of course getting it out, I can just, you know, pull it out like that. But anyway, I'll set you up on a tripod and we'll get to it. Alright, so ultimately, don't forget to shut your breaker off and then pull the plug out. Okay, and then all I'm doing, I'm just going to set it on the floor flat. Alright. Alright, very good. So all you need is your grinder and then of course the unit, and then don't forget to put on some safety glasses and don't catch anything on fire. So just my suggestion. Alright, now you can see it a little bit better. See what happens. And don't cut the cord. I'm just gonna cut the little handle off. That's it. It's slightly moving. I would put your foot on it. That'll help. Just somewhere on the unit. Alright, so I had some old 4x4s laying around. I basically just set them right on there, but whatever you can work, whatever works to help hold it. I'm going to see if that'll work. So. Alright, so let's see how that works. I'm going to move it basically from there to the plug, so I'll get you moved. Alright, cool. So I got you moved. Here's what the plug looks like now. So basically we just, not only did we cut that off, but we grinded it a little bit. So just got it kind of as smooth as I could on that back side. But make sure there's none of that debris on your plug. And then now we're good to go. So this is just my surge protector. Of course, make sure your breaker is off when you do it. Alright, and then, yep, we are good to go. So, looks like it fits in there just fine. So, took you off the tripod so you could see better. But now when it shuts, it goes all the way. So we can even put a little clip through here just to make sure it's you know, staying closed. And then of course the actual cord is enclosed as well, and once it's got a waterproof protection on it as well. So hopefully if this video helps you, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, we're all done for today. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks.